Okay, Irene, what are we making today? What?
You said ice cream?
Yeah, say ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay. No. Okay. So we got our cookbook right here, right? Yeah. Okay.
Water.
Can you say water? Yeah.
No. Oh, no.
Okay.
Yay.
That's not how you pour it in. This. It's a little heavy, so. Go all over the counter. Oh, no. Okay, can you say milk?
Why did I do that?
We know you love water. Can you pour this one in?
What did she do?
Pour the milk in.
Milk. You don't
Look,
eat it.
look. You grab it. Grab it.
No.
Oh, this is.
Oh.
Can you pour it? Can you pour it? Okay, just here. Whisk it. Oh my goodness! Do you want to get in here? Okay.
Yay.
First step done. High five. We got the first step done. Okay, first step done. First step done. Yay. High five. The next step is we have to make the heavy whipping cream. We gotta take the whipping cream. We gotta pour it in, okay? Okay. Come here.
Take this, Irene.
Go like this. Pour it. Pour it. You ready?
Yay!
Oh, you know exactly what to do. All right, Irene, that was a very good job. I don't think we need these again. I don't think we need these again, so I think we should eat them. Yep. Okay,
Oh,
you already know
you
what's up,
know.
don't you? Here. Here you go. You want to eat it?
Eat it.
You do? You want to eat it?
Oh, not beat it. Eat it, Irene. This is different.
Lick it.
Yeah.
Yay! Is it good?
No! That didn't touch it.
Oh, that was close. Thank you.
Oh,
not again. We're gonna add the chocolate to the part that went in the microwave.
Be careful. This is hot.
Hot. Dump it.
Yay!
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 Now
Oh,
you
you know
whisk it.
exactly what to do, don't you? There we go. I kind of measured the wrong amount of water. So we
much water.
We have to start over. I'm sorry.
Only this part.
I think you like this part, right? Yeah,
I
I
think
think you like this part. Oh, okay.
You do? Yeah,
You do. You like this part.
I heard.
Okay, Irene. So
Hot.
it's hot, very hot. Now we
Very
fixed it. Don't eat it. No. Can you dump it? Oh, okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay!
Yay!
Good job. Woo! Dump it.
Yay!
Yay! Okay. Yay!
Oh, oops. that's too much.
Here. You wanna lick it? You ready? Lick. Yep, just like that. We are going to take some of this. We're going to go blop.
All of it?
No, just some at a time. We're going to eventually do all of it. We're going to go blop. And then we're going to fold it like so. Fold it.
Fine.
Okay. Okay, Irene, do you want to eat our ice cream?
It's good.
It's really good, huh?
Good, Irene?
Do you want to try? You see the spoon? So your poor hands don't get cold. Oh. No.
No
No.
spoon?
Okay. Go. Bye. Bye.